Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7, subject Biology, Chapter 10, Disease, page number 139. Student learning outcomes, microbes and disease, pathogens. So let's start today's lesson from microbes and disease. In 19th century, Lewis shows that microbes made food go bad. He proves that and shows that the food that becomes spoiled is due to microbes. He thought that microbes could also cause disease. At that time, he just think that due to microbes, disease can be caused. He was able to show that infectious disease was caused by cholera in hens and by anthrax in sheep. And also he shows these two diseases were caused due to microbes. About the same time, another scientist, Robert, was able to prove that diseases such as tuberculosis were caused by microbes. And at the same time, another scientist, he shows that the tuberculosis is caused by microbes. Pure culture of microbes, when injected into healthy animals, brought about the symptoms of the disease. He shows that if they entered or put the pure culture of these microbes in a healthy animal, it also become infected and show the symptoms of the same or similar disease that is caused. Pasteur and Koch could not have imagined that one day not only a particular disease organism would be identified. At that time, they don't imagine that we can identify a particular organism that cause disease. They can identify, but we could vaccinate, and we also now in this time we can vaccinate them against it and even eradicate it from the world, as in the case of smallpox. Smallpox also a disease that was caused due to microbes. So due to proper vaccination, we eradicate it from the earth. So now this time we didn't find any patient from smallpox. What are pathogens? Bacteria, viruses, and fungi are all microbes. These all are the types of microbes. Not all of them are harmful. They not all cause any types of disease, or not all have the same types of infection. Some are useful and help us to make bread, cheese, and wine. The good from them we can use in the formation of bread, cheese, and wine. What are pathogens? The microbes that cause disease are called pathogens. Remember, not all diseases are caused by microbes. Keep it in your mind, the disease from in human beings or in animals are not all the times, or not every disease is caused due to pathogens or microbes. For example, diabetes is a disease caused by the pancreas not being able to make enough insulin. So here in this type of disease, there are no pathogen involved in this type of disease. So this is not due to